Hello and welcome to this new series. This new series will explore feature by feature comparison between Tableau and Power BI. So if you have not subscribed, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification for the new videos. So in this video for the Tableau versus Power BI series, we are going to discuss stacked visual. So we are going to do some steps on Power BI and try to replicate same on the Tableau. So here we have four options for stacked visual, column and stacked bar, and then we have 100%. So let's start with stacked column visual. Let me put it here, and then for this one we will require both axis and legend. So we will take brand on the axis and legend we are going to take category, and here we are going to take let's say net sales. Now in Power BI you are only allowed to have one measure. Now if you wanted to have another measure, you drag it here, it is actually going to replace the older measure. Now you have option to have drag something additional on the this one and subcategory, and then you have the drill option, so you can actually get a drill down option now there. Now I'm going to remove that. Now here I can have gross sales, but there's one more feature which recently came in, which is small multiples. Now small multiples, what happen? Let's say if I want to see the same visual across various states, so I can drag states out here in the small multiples, and for each state it's going to create a visual. Now this is going to remain common here, and this is going to remain common here. Okay, the axis here and the axis here are going to remain common. Now this is not available right now for measures that I have two measures and I can have common axis in this tagged visual, which is not possible, which I'll show you in Tableau. Now here this small multiple title, you can actually decide what kind of grid layout and all those you have actually small multiple titles, and then you have option for grid layout, which is basically I can make three by three if I would like. So okay, so this is how it looks like, and it will keep on scrolling. So basically number of rows, if there are more values, it's not going to obey what you are saying. So columns is the one which you can do, and so basically just need to take care that it looks good in that particular one. Now what we can do, we will go ahead and try to replicate this on Tableau. So in Tableau what we'll do is let's bring in brand, and let's along with brand let's bring in gross sales, and let's bring brand to row. Now let's create this tagged visual. Right now let me create it as a table only. Let me bring category also to this one, and let me convert it into stacked visual. So now we got the stacked visual, very similar to this one. But now if I bring net sales, one option is I can replace it, or one option I can place. Now this is what you can do in Tableau. Power BI right now doesn't have alternate for this one. So let me take it back and let me try out what happens if I, let's say, drag state out here in the rows again. So where is our state? We can take it from we can take it from here. So let's upon what we have. So similar, you can see now that you got this same for each state, it is now repeating. Fine. So this is the similar kind of what we had small multiples. Now you have it here. So that kind of structure is there, and here I can actually, I have dragged it here, and category is now on the gone into color. I can actually drag it here, and let me drag it back category out here. Okay, so different kind of combinations I can have. So this is tagged visual. Now let me throw this away. Let me put gross sales out here. Let me remove gross sales. Let me have category brand, and let me have gross sales or net sales back here on the row, and let me convert it. Okay, so stacked visual for you. So try those both visuals in Power BI and Tableau. Do let us know what else you want us to cover in this particular series. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you. Get involved. Keep asking questions in comments. Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification of our new video. Keep watching.